All right, here we are at Bluff's Little Thinkers sensory room, and teacher Rylie is going to tell us all about it.
So first we have our bubble table. Next is some sensory tiles. And then there are some gadgets on the wall for some finger and hand movements. A xylophone. And yes, just some different gadgets to play with. Next is a chair with some rainbow lights. There's also a mirror up at the top so that students can sit back and look at themselves with the waterfall lights. Wow. Next we have our projector. And then marble wall. Over here is a tunnel with some lights around it.
Fun.
Then we have our bubble tubes here and there. On this seat, it is a vibration seat, so it's in sync with a song that we can play on an iPad, and it goes to the beat and melody of the song. And then lastly, we have our beanbag chair where students can sit, and we also have some more lights.
Wow.
That's a wrap.
That's so cool. And on the ceiling it looks like stars, and every once in a while you can see like an asteroid or one just went by. Yeah, shooting star. So Rylie, how did you guys get this sensory room that happens to be attached to your classroom?
From our wonderful director, Kelsey Anderson. She put in a grant and it came through last spring. So they worked on it this summer, and this is our first year with our sensory room.
Yeah, this is incredible. And you have such a nice, it's a place where kids can go just to calm.
To zen, yeah, for zen, when they need that time, because life has a lot of emotions, and this is our calm place.
I love it. Thank you so much, Rylie, for giving us a tour.